Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with Essentials. Update Chrome OS first because updates include performance fixes and security patches. Next, remove or disable extensions you don't use. They run in background processes. Clear storage by deleting large files from downloads and emptying the trash. Low free space slows swap and responsiveness. Once done, restart the Chromebook to apply updates and clear memory. Make sure to sign back into Wi-Fi and confirm the system boots cleanly before moving to deeper tuning steps. Now focus on processes. Open Chrome's Task Manager and identify tabs or extensions using the most CPU and memory. Close or replace them to reduce load. Then review background page permissions and disable background activity for apps that don't need it. If performance remains poor, consider a power wash to reset the OS. That clears persistent misconfigurations. Also swap heavy web apps for lighter alternatives and disable auto start apps, so RAM and CPU stay available for the finish by enabling hardware acceleration when it improves video and graphics tasks. Test with a short video or web app to confirm gains. Offload large media to an SD card or cloud storage to keep internal drive responsive. If you still see lag, run the built-in diagnostics to check battery and storage health, and reboot into recovery if errors appear. Troubleshooting tip. If apps crash or speeds don't improve after power wash, back up data and perform a full recovery. That resolves corrupted system images.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.